Have you ever recorded a great video, but when you watched it later, the quality didn't look good? Maybe the video looks blurry, maybe it's too dark, or maybe it's an old clip that has lost its quality over time. The same thing can happen with photos. You have a great image, but it looks soft and lacks detail. Many people try to fix these problems by increasing sharpness or brightness, but the results often don't look natural. The good news is that Filmora has AI tools that can help improve both images and videos in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Filmora's AI enhancement tools and explain which option works best for different situations. Let's get started. AI Image Enhancer. Let's start with images. If your photo looks blurry, low quality, or lacks detail, Filmora's AI Image Enhancer can help. First, import your image into Filmora and drag it onto the timeline. Next, select the image on the timeline. In the Basic panel, scroll down until you find AI Image Enhancer, then enable it. Click Generate, and Filmora will automatically analyze the image and improve its quality. This works great for portraits, product photos, thumbnails, AI-generated images, and older pictures. In just a few moments, your image will look sharper and clearer. Now let's move on to videos. AI Video Enhancer. For videos, Filmora offers different AI models because different videos have different problems. To access them, click your video clip and select AI Video Enhancer. You'll see several enhancement options. Let's look at when to use each one. The first option is Enhance. This is the best choice for normal videos that already look good but need a little extra quality. For example, travel videos, vlogs, tutorials, family videos, or social media content. Simply choose Enhance and click Generate. Filmora will improve the overall clarity and make the video look cleaner and more professional. If you're not sure which model to use, this is usually the best place to start. Generative Enhance. Now let's say your video is blurry or low quality. Maybe it's an old clip. Maybe it was downloaded from social media. Or maybe it became blurry after zooming in. In these situations, choose Generative Enhance. Unlike normal enhancement, this model uses AI to rebuild missing details and improve the overall quality of the video. Simply select Generative Enhance and click Generate. This option is great for low-resolution footage and videos that need extra improvement. AI Night View. What if your video was recorded at night? Night videos often look dark and contain a lot of noise. For these situations, use AI Night View. Choose the model and click Generate. Filmora will brighten dark areas, reduce noise, and make details easier to see. It's perfect for city lights, concerts, night walks, outdoor events, and travel videos recorded after sunset. Topaz Starlight. The final option is Topaz Starlight. This is the most powerful enhancement model available in Filmora. It's designed for old videos, archived footage, heavily compressed clips, and videos that need serious restoration. Because it does more advanced processing, it takes longer to complete. However, if you want the best possible quality, Topaz Starlight is worth using. Simply select the model and let Filmora do the work. So, which AI tool should you use? With just a few clicks, Filmora can help improve your content and save footage that you might have thought was unusable. And that's how you can enhance both images and videos using Filmora AI.